Yo, did you know there's this AI cat channel that's literally raking in millions just by posting videos about cat stories? Yeah, you heard that right, millions of views and making bank, anywhere between $33,000 to $500,000 per month, all according to Social Blade. Like, can you even believe what we watch these days? Somehow, these simple cat story videos have become a goldmine. I mean, who wouldn't want to get rich by sharing cute, funny cat content, right? And the best part? This niche is wide open. Seriously, it's low competition right now. You don't see anyone out here giving tutorials on how to crack the cat AI video code. Well, guess what? That's exactly why I'm here, to hook you up. Right now, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these viral cat videos using free AI tools. And trust me, it's so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So, let's just jump right in. Step 1, check this out. This AI-driven cat channel has managed to capture millions of eyeballs with, like, minimal effort. The numbers are insane. Imagine telling cute cat stories and making up to $500,000 a month. Yup, that's what happens when you mix creativity with a little tech magic. One reason this channel blows up? It's crazy simple, yet it grabs people's attention. The cat niche is always popular, but when you throw AI into the mix and pump out unique content, boom, you've got yourself a money machine. Oh, and did I mention that there's barely any competition? This means there's a ton of opportunity for anyone who wants in on this game. And with free AI tools, you can start cranking out videos like these. No sweat. So, without further ado, wait, who even says ado? Let's get into it. Step 1 coming at you. Let's see how you can easily create these videos and grab your slice of the viral cat pie. Want to join the cool kids and become a top content creator in the cat niche? Easy. Just follow these steps, and you'll be flexing your cat videos in no time. Step 1, head over to the Lexica website. This place is packed with tools to help you whip up some awesome, creative images. Think of it as your personal cat art studio. Step 2, time to search for cat pics. Once you're on Lexica, type in fashionable cat. Seriously, you'll find cats serving looks in every possible mood. It's like a feline fashion show. Step 3, create those trendy images. Picture this, a cat casually strolling down a mini runway, looking all stylish. With Lexica, you can make super cool, one-of-a-kind cat pics in these fun scenarios. Step 4, pick and download your favorites. After you've made your art, scroll through the pics, choose the ones that speak to you, and download them. Feel free to grab as many as you want to build your collection of cat masterpieces. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's add some sound to these awesome visuals. Want to know how to make your cat videos even better? By adding cat sounds, of course. Here's how to do it. Head over to Pixabay, the ultimate free resource for images, videos, and sounds. And the best part? No signing up or paying required. Now, search for cat sounds. You'll find everything from cute little meows to purrs and playful noises. It's like a cat orchestra. Finally, listen to the sounds, pick your faves, and download them. Boom! Now you're ready to put it all together and create the ultimate cat video. Alright, we've got the cat pics ready to go, but now it's time to take your video up a notch by adding some perfect sounds. One of the best places to find free cat sounds is Pixabay, and lucky for you, I'm gonna show you exactly how to grab those. First up, head over to the Pixabay website. This place is like the holy grail of free resources. You can get tons of images, videos, and audio without paying a cent or even signing up. Seriously, it's that easy. Now, let's search for cat sounds. After you're on the site, type cat sounds into the search bar. Hit search, and bam, you'll land on a page full of cat sounds in all kinds of situations. From soft little meows to playful kitty noises, and even some classic purring, it's all there. Next, you've got to pick your sounds. Scroll through the options, listen to a few, and find the ones that vibe best with your video. Once you find the perfect meow or purr, just hit the download button. Best part? It's totally free, and you can download as many as you need to make your video awesome. Now that we've got the sounds, let's get into editing your masterpiece with CapCut. I swear, this app is like the easiest video editor ever. Here's how to do it. Step 1, open CapCut and log in, or download it if you haven't already. Once you're in, create a new project. Import your cat pics and any videos you want to work with into the project. Now you're all set to start editing like a pro. Step 2. Cutting and adjusting the length of your images. So, when you import your pics and videos, they're all like 5 seconds long, but we don't need them to be that extra. Click on each image or video, then slide the duration down at the bottom of the screen. Just keep doing this for all your clips until everything's the perfect length. Step 3. Adding some cool animations. Want to give your video some life? Click on an image, hit the animation button at the bottom, and choose whichever animation makes your cats look the most stylish. If you want to save time, hit Add to All, and boom, all your images will have that same sweet animation. Step 4. Save your video. Once you've done all your magic, just click that shiny Save button at the top to download your video. Now it's ready to go, and you can keep it on your device, showing it off like the masterpiece it is. Step 5. Time to upload. Before you upload, make sure you've got a catchy title. Find a trending video title and tweak it to make it your own. Then hit Use this sound to add the audio to your video. You want people to be hooked right from the start. Step 6. Add your video to the gallery. Just go to your device's gallery, select your video, and hit Done. This will start processing the video. Once it's done, click the next icon, choose a thumbnail that screams "Click Me," and write that perfect title. Step 7. Make it public. Upload your video as unlisted at first, then wait 1 to 2 hours and switch it to public. This little trick will give your video a boost and get more views. Bonus tip: generate unlimited images. Want to keep making awesome videos? You can generate more images by searching for them using the suggestions below the video. Keep creating, and you'll have endless material to work with. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to follow our channel. Got questions or comments? Drop them below, and we'll be happy to help. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep creating.